First, you need to go to your browser that you are using. Then you search the business that you want to map or to change the location. From this particular case, the business is already mapped on the Google Map. Now I'll show you how to change or to map your business so that you can make your work easier whenever the client wants to get your location from their convenience of their devices. Now go to where under the direction option where I will search from the starting point to the end point where is the business where it is located. Then for instance, let's say I want to move from Thika town to the business where it's located. Google automatically give you the shortest route to the business. So Google will give you a live location of the location that you are looking for from the starting point to the end point with the shortest route. Now you can see the location has already been adjusted to the new point. So it gives you an accuracy of around 5 meters, which is a good accuracy, where you cannot miss with a 5-meter radius. Now you can see that's how the location look like. It has already updated. The data is real time. Business mapping on the Google Map, it is really assist because it isn't the hassle of the clients of their convenience whenever they want to get services or products. So they just go to their devices, they check their profile. I can also opt to check maybe from another point of start, like let's say from BAT, click enter, or to show me the direct route to the business that I'm looking for. Now it gives you the average time, either you are walking, driving, or you are riding. It is just a demonstration to show that the accuracy is actual. I hope guys the video be of help and it's very educative. Remember to like and subscribe. I will see you in our next video. Thank you.